Hello my loves, welcome back to another vlog. I hope you guys are doing absolutely amazing. God, there's a mint in my mouth, but yeah, hope you guys are having an amazing day or had an amazing day. It is 2:30 my time right now, and I'm getting ready to get out and run maybe 4 errands, something like that. I'm headed to the liquor store. I want to make this drink that I seen on Pinterest. They call it a fall around cocktail. So it consists of cherries, mint, Crown Royal apple, cranberry juice, ice, cranberry vodka, spiced rum, 7-Up or Sprite. So the liquor store that we normally go to is closed, so they won't be open till tomorrow. But I want to make it tonight because tonight I want to do like dinner outside because it is nice outside. Hopefully it's not too cool, but this morning was like 50-something degrees, and right now it's like in the 70s. I don't know. Let me see. Okay, so right now it is 72 degrees, so it is nice outside. It's beautiful. I live in the South, so I am enjoying this quote-unquote fall weather. So I wanted to do dinner outside, but I don't want to cook. So what I'm going to do instead is make a drink. I'm also going to stop at the store and get the ingredients to make some spinach dip tonight. So I'm gonna make some spinach dip as an appetizer, and then we're just gonna order from one of our favorite Italian restaurants, Roma Cafe here. So that's the plan, and hopefully we're just gonna be able to eat outside on the porch, like the tiki lights, and just chill out, y'all. So that's what I want to do tonight because babe does not have to work tonight, so it's kind of like our time together. So it's like a dinner date, but yeah, that's where we're headed. Hey, how are you? I'm looking for like some spice rum and...
You don't know I'm stalling, cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this and the more I go. Cause you a bad money, she don't love money. She break hearts real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand you how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand you how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Take it, baby, I ain't scared to take it. Oh, and maybe when I take it, oh, I feel it coming down too strong. Cause I want ya, and it's hard to resist cause I need ya. And it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Holding a couple, get to you.
Unfortunately, TJ Maxx did not have what I was looking for. And it's 3:39 now, and I'm hungry. So I was thinking about just driving down to Marshall's to see if they have anything. But y'all, I'm hungry. I'm so hungry right now. I'm just gonna be sad if I drive all the way down to Marshall's and they don't have what I'm looking for. So yeah, that project probably will not get done today with the basket. I was just literally trying to find something to put all my shoes in. I'm trying to clean out one of my closets to make room, and I just need that, but I'm too hungry to be out here in the streets. Now I'm trying to figure out if I really want to go to Walmart. And y'all already know Walmart is jumping on the weekends. Or just when I go to Publix. Publix is probably jumping too. I don't know if y'all are Cricket or what, but y'all already know Walmart is jumping right now. And I will only go to Walmart to save a little bit of money because Walmart is definitely cheaper than Publix. However, I just don't feel like it. Even though I know Publix is gonna be jumping right now, it's a more pleasant experience. Publix has their lines open. Walmart gonna have me going through self checkouts, and I just don't know about that. So I'm probably just gonna go to Publix, y'all. So, and grab me a snack or something, because we plan on eating dinner at 7 o'clock. I did not eat breakfast today. I had a cup of coffee, and I like those lunch size combos, the cheese ones, and a Nutri-Grain bar. That was technically my breakfast. And then for lunch, all I ate was 2 chicken wings from yesterday, like 2 grilled chicken wings. I ate those before I left out the house, and y'all, my stomach is empty. And I don't want to be out here in these streets hangry. So I'm just probably gonna pull up to Publix because it's right here. I need to get gas because I'm gonna have to tank. But gas is like $3 for regular gas. Ooh. But if I don't get gas today, I'm gonna be sad during the week. But yeah, I'm about to just pull up to Publix because y'all, I just don't have time for Walmart. Some of the Walmart employees, they don't be feeling like coming to work, so they be mad. Go ahead, sis. I'll let you cross the road. Lord knows I don't have the energy for it right now, so I'm just gonna pull up to Publix, you know, and run up in here. Sis, you ain't gotta run. Your girl is not gonna hit you because pedestrians be having the right of way. But I appreciate it. So yeah, let me run up in Publix.
Yeah. Thought I met you at the wrong time. Then you caught me on that one night. Girl, I wanna know how this thing get out of my control. Zip line into your timeline. Hey, that body don't lie. I didn't care for the hype, yeah. But when I saw you tonight, ooh, girl, you know just what you're doing. I'll go 1,000 miles to show you that I'm right for your love. Hey, keep breaking necks when you passing them by. Make sure they know that you taking love in your vibe. Let's be forever tonight, and I will let you make up your mind. But I can't wait. When you coming over, let me be your chauffeur. Baby, I will keep on calling you love till you do the same. Let me take it over, drive it like a chauffeur, like a chauffeur.
Y'all, I had to get these Harvest Snaps. They're in black pepper. It's called cracked and spicy black pepper. The Harvest Snap green pea snack crisp. Sorry, but 22 pieces is only 130 calories. So 22 pieces of these will get me done. And then they had them buy one get one free because your girl is hungry, and I was trying not to go through somebody's drive-through. So now I just want to figure out if I want to be a real responsible adult and go get gas. I'm gonna have to tank, but getting gas on Sunday is amazing. And I could just wait for Babe, but that means I will have to wait for him to get back to the house, because I think he's out too. Get back to the house, go get food, and it'll just delay my dinner process, put it like that, because I don't like pumping gas. But I guess I'll be a responsible adult, I guess.
I can't recall when you came through that door, yeah. Glowing like a headlight, independent all the way, got her bread right, yeah. Hard to ignore, sexy body make a jaw hit the floor. Won't you come over now? Just let me hold you down. Nothing else matching your type. Nothing else matching your type. Yeah. Oh, I feel the magic in the air. And when you give me a taste, I swear. When you give me a taste, let me take it over. Drive it like a chauffeur. I will let you make up your mind, but I can't.
Y'all, I feel like a responsible adult. When I say I just wanted to say bump getting gas, I worry about it when it's time to worry about it. Yeah. But yeah. Man, y'all, I was on half a tank, and it still took me $39 to fill up. $39. Jesus. I can't imagine if I was on E. You know what I mean? Now, the good thing is, this week, during the week, I don't have to worry about getting gas. Because, child, there be days, as you guys probably, ooh, that's right, I already know, your girl be out here riding on faith, because I hate getting gas. I hate it. And then, I hate when you pay at the pump. Did I have my debit card in here? Nope, I'm just still have in my pocket. Okay. But yeah, then I hate when you pump gas at the pump, and then you have to go get your receipt from inside. I'm like, bleh. That's why I pay at the pump, so I don't have to go inside. Like, bleh. Oops. Now, oh Lord, now back to the house.
I finally stopped running now. With you, I found my peace somehow. Let go of every thought that was holding me back. Yeah, I'm in love with you in every way. That joy you give me every day makes me forget that I was troubled before. Don't know if I'm dreaming, I'm slipping away. I hear your sweet voice, then I see your face. I never knew you could love someone like me. You climb my tower.
Babe, guess what? Roma Cafe closed.
They closed?
Yes, it says they're only open from 11 to 4 on Sundays.
Sunday.
They're only open from 11 a.m. to 4 on Sundays. What we gonna eat? Alright, I just finished my spinach and artichoke dip. I baked it in the oven. It looks amazing. Listen to it sizzle. Babe, don't it look good? Right. So we end up going for Olive Garden since the place we really wanted was closed. Talking about disappointment. Babe, taste your drink. Not the chip bag in the way. I can't see it. Boom. It's all about you, boo. Really? I hope your hands are clean. Mad extra, y'all. Mad extra. It's not good?
I can taste the alcohol.
You can taste the alcohol?
Mm-hmm. It's drinkable.
It's drinkable?
Mm-hmm.
Is it good? Would you wanted another one?
I would drink another.
You would drink another one? I know I'm on my second one.
It's not better than the last one, though.
My other one? The other one is bomb. I don't have a name for it. This is new. I just wanted something different, you know. We've been drinking that same one, and apparently brown liquor is our type of liquor.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Taste my spinach artichoke dip, though. You need to check it. I probably need some salt, but you know. I'm gonna be trying to put all the salt in there, and we have high cholesterol. What is that? High cholesterol? High sodium? What is it? Sodium? This is... Ah! Go ahead. Oh, hurry up. My battery's about to die.
I like the texture.
I'm glad you like the texture. So you just...
The creaminess of it.
Babe!
I like the greenery.
Thank you. Eat it. Eat it, but my battery died. Is it good?
Mm-hmm. I like the texture of the end. I like the creaminess. I like the spinach in there too. You did that.
Thank you. Is it better than a restaurant?
Mm-hmm.
Right. Don't be lying.
I would definitely eat yours in a restaurant.
I'm blue. Yes, but if you guys like that recipe, I'll put the little eye right here because I recorded a video today. But yeah, we're just gonna eat until the phone dies, the camera dies. But yo, this salad from Olive Garden, this is a really big salad. This salad, yeah. Jesus, I was like, this is a huge salad. And then they give you this too. Right, I think it's huge. I got the chicken and shrimp carbonara. Oops, I'm doing it on myself. I think I already showed y'all that. The chicken shrimp carbonara.